All right, in this video, we've logged into the TurboTax account successfully. What we're going to do is go through how to take our situation here with Antonio and begin to file a taxes. So we have Antonio's high school senior. He works at Dairy Queen as a sales associate, approximately 10 hours per week in the school year, 30 in the summer. He received this W-2 from his employer, and you can see the W-2 has this information right here. Important to note that Antonio is 18 and lives at home. His parents claim him as a dependent for tax purposes. He is single, has one job. His birthday is July 21st, 2001. No other information about Antonio. Now, the simulation really mirrors TurboTax, and they're going to ask a lot of the same questions. And as it says right here, we're going to answer no to questions like that. So let's get started. Okay. As we go through these, then, Antonio does have a job. He lives at home, so he doesn't pay rent, certainly doesn't own a home. It does not say that he has children. And so, really, as you go through all these, none of these other ones are really going to apply. And so, it really looks like, based on Antonio's information, we're going to file for free. So, I clicked on that. We can save time, sign now and save time later. Okay. So, what you would want to do when you're really preparing your taxes, you would want to read through all this. This is your consent and everything. And we're going to put Antonio's name here. And if I can spell it correctly. And his last name is Davis, and there's his address right there. Antonio Davis. And then today, you'll put today's date, and it prompts you what the day it is for 2020. He's not married, so we're not going to put anything there, and we're going to hit continue. Okay. And again, we need a few more details, like for some reason we need to put Antonio's name in again. And this time we're putting in Antonio's date of birth. Do you remember what it was? I don't either. Let's go back. July 21st, 2001. So 07/21/2001. And his zip code is right here in box E92116. Great to meet you, Antonio. All right. Did you do your taxes last year? Remember in the presentation it said he heard he's never filed before. He heard TurboTax has a free version. He's a bit nervous because he's filing for the first time. So based on that, no, he did not file. How's he feeling? Probably not so good. And then we're going to continue. A bit about yourself. Antonio was single. None of these apply because he's in high school yet and no children. Okay, we're going to continue. And then getting an idea of your financial picture. He's not in college yet. Did not say he owned a vehicle. Did not have childcare. Doesn't own rental property. Single, so he hasn't been married yet, more than likely. It did not say he had a bank account, but that brings up a good point. If you do have a savings account and you received a 1099 INT, the interest from that savings account is considered income. Going back to our first unit that we covered this semester was on cryptocurrency. It did not say that Antonio had bought or sold any cryptocurrency. Medical expenses will be taken care of by parents or guardians, and